People of Zimbabwe, I want you to watch this video and I want you to tell me what you think. And this is what I'm going to show or anything, but I want you to tell me what you think about this video. Yema War Veterans. This is the house that is being built in Chikomba. And I want you to tell me critic or comment muchirumbiza kana kuti muchishora. Tiudzera munofunga pamusoro pe video iyi. Kuti munofungei pamusoro pe program iyi iri kuitwa nema War Veterans through Presidential War Veterans Fund. Tell me what you think about this. I don't want to comment much.
So a house has just been handed over to a war veteran here in Makoni West. This is 15 February 2025. So the house was built in record time, less than 3 days, and it has just been handed over to the war veteran. As you can see, now he is a better and decent house, thanks to the President, Dr. Innbucks. So the Presidential Rural Housing Scheme is not propaganda, it's a reality happening on the ground. So apart from the new house that has been built for the war veteran, over there you can see a solar powered ball. So it's happening on the ground. It's not propaganda, it's reality. ED cares about war veterans.